In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google account. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the Google account you actually want to remove, especially if you use multiple accounts in the same browser. Open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This is the central hub for all your Google settings, from privacy and security to data controls. In the top right corner, click your profile picture or initial to open the account menu. From there, choose Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to your account dashboard with a row of sections across the left side or top, depending on your device. Select Data and Privacy. This area controls how your information is handled, and it's where Google places tools related to downloads, deletion, and activity. Scroll down until you find the section labeled More Options. Under that area, look for Delete Your Google Account and click it. Google will ask you to verify your identity, enter your account password, and select Next. If you have additional verification enabled, follow those prompts too. This step is there to protect your account from accidental or unauthorized deletion. You'll now see the final deletion page. Before going any further, it's strongly recommended that you download a copy of your data. Click Download Your Data to open Google's export tool, often called Takeout. Here you can choose what to keep: Gmail messages, Drive files, photos, calendar events, and more. You can also pick the file type and where your archive will be delivered, such as a download link or cloud storage. Start the export and wait for Google to prepare it. This can take time if you have a lot of content. Once your download is complete, return to the deletion page, carefully read the notices, check the box acknowledging that you may still be responsible for any pending charges or transactions tied to this account, and that in certain cases earnings might not be paid out. Then check the box confirming that you want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. When you're ready, click Delete Account. After this, you'll lose access to services connected to this account, including Gmail, Drive, Photos, Calendar, YouTube, and any third-party apps you signed into with Google. Some data may be unrecoverable, and the process is intended to be permanent. If you change your mind very quickly, try signing in again to see if recovery is still possible, but don't rely on that. That's it. You've learned how to safely delete a Google account with your data backed up and the right confirmations in place.